Hi everyone, welcome to 214 LS and 314 LS. This is a high intermediate listening and speaking course. My name is Reagan Clark and I will be your instructor for this semester. The semester actually starts on Monday, so I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and also give you some ideas of what you can expect for getting started, okay? So as I said, my name is Reagan. I started teaching in about 2007. And I've taught in a few places across the globe. I've taught in Spain, Japan, and Australia. Um, these experiences, I think, really helped me be able to relate to my students in that I have also lived in a country where I'm not from and sometimes do not speak the language, and have had to figure out how to do life in a new place. So yeah, I really do have a lot of respect for you as college students, whether you are in school to pursue a degree or to improve your language skills. I think it is wonderful that you are here, and I'm so happy to have you in my class. So I do teach this listening and speaking course this semester. I also teach with Fresno City, and I teach pronunciation there. And once a year, I teach at Clovis College and I teach linguistics. So I am really happy to be back at Reedley College. It's been a while since I have been able to teach here. A couple of things I wanted to discuss for this course. As I said, this is a high intermediate listening and speaking course. So we will be reviewing a number of academic topics with authentic materials. You will be completing this course 100% online. But that doesn't mean that we won't have an opportunity to meet in person, that we won't have an opportunity to meet live. So I will be offering a weekly Zoom session in which we can review the materials and discuss any of the questions that you have. I hope that you'll be able to join. If not, you can always watch the recorded video of that Zoom session. So the first one will be on Tuesday morning at 10 a.m. You can find all of those links in the Getting Started module on Canvas. So I am looking forward to seeing you there. Please contact me if you are having any difficulty getting started throughout the semester as well. I hope to hear from you. I am available and am more than happy to help you and support your journey here through this course. So I look forward to working with you, and I hope to see you on Tuesday morning. Thank you.